Hey, what's going on, y'all? This T with Custom Grillz Inc. And I want to talk to you guys about the DVD course that we have going on for learning how to make custom grills. Now, it's a few things. If you're already in the industry and you're making jewelry or you don't know how to make grills, but you want to get started, on my website, you can click the link below and it'll take you straight to it, and I'll go over a lot of things about the Grillz course that you'll be taking. But before we get started into the video, definitely like and subscribe, and also hit that notification bell so you know anytime I'm putting up a video. Now, if you're on my website, you'll see here it says, how to make grills gold teeth. Now, it's a few questions people have. I thought I put enough information on the website, but it seemed to be not there. So I have a few frequently asked questions people ask me every time they're interested in purchasing the DVD course. Now, everyone want to know, what does it really come with? What do you learn on the course? Now, what you learn on the course is that you'll be able to learn everything, and that's like starting from the beginning to the finish. You'll learn the molding kit tutorial. You'll learn how to mold people impressions. Some people don't know how to do impressions. They just getting started in making grills. But you'll learn how to do the mold kit. You'll learn how to do the teeth wax preparation. So after the mold kit, I didn't put in here that you'll learn how to die stone. And die stoning is the process right after you take a person's impression. So you do the die stone. That's how you get the cavity of the teeth. And then you'll start the teeth wax. So you learn how to die stone, and then you learn how to do the wax on the teeth. And that's basically a challenge for a lot of people. A lot of people don't have carving techniques, and they don't know how to carve, so they wouldn't be really good in this area without training. So I'll go over everything about training, how to wax the teeth up, do it the proper way, and so because you want to do a good wax to have a great finish. So if your wax come out good, your casting will come out great, less work. So you want to make sure you know how to do wax. You'll also go over wax carving. Like I said, it's very important. A lot of people don't know how to do it. But after the wax process, you have the casting process and the preparation for casting. So it will go into the investment part. And investment is basically when you take a flask and you fill it with this investment product, and it basically has to sit overnight, and it's just going to get real rock hard solid. So, and it's called the burnout process. So after that, it goes into how to use the oven, because you have to burn out that wax out of the cavity in order to cast to go into it. So we'll go over the casting process, on how to do the investment, on how to do the oven, which is the burnout process. And then also after it comes out the oven, you also learn how to do gold smelting. Now we have two options. We can do gold smelting, or we do the torch. But 9 times out of 10, we offer smelting the gold because it's less fire, less accidents. It's very safe. You can do it from your home, anywhere. So, and then after that, we'll go into casting the grills. Basically, like I said, the fire, or using the smelter. And I'm using very basic terminology right now because a lot of people don't understand the names of certain things. So I'm just using basic terminology. But we'll show you how to cast the gold into the cavity of the investment. And then after that, you take it, you drench it in water, and boom, you have your grill. So after that, it's the rough part of the casting. Then you got to go into sanding and polishing. So we'll teach you how to remove it from the sticks, and that's when you screw it up. So we'll teach you how to do that, and also we'll teach you the sanding and polishing, what to use, what polishers to use, what sanders to use, so you can honestly do it the right way and not have a bad grill, because a lot of people have bad grills and they still be rough, so they do not be polished completely the right way. So we go into cleaning, best way to clean the grill after you're making them. And then it's just the finishing part, buffing it out, polishing it up, making it look real nice and pretty. But we'll teach you all the processes. Like I said, you'll learn how to clean and polish it and make it look really nice for your customer. Other than that, some people do want to know, does it come with equipment? No, it does not come with the equipment. It's a separate purchase. So if you want to get equipment, you just contact us and let us know that you need equipment, and we'll tell you how much it costs for the equipment. Some people think that it's going to be too expensive to get the equipment, so they're not interested in the DVD. But listen, if you get the DVD, you'll learn how to make the grills, and we'll also give you ways of working around the equipment until you can afford it. So don't get shy away thinking that it's gonna be too expensive to get equipment and not get the DVD, because you can be learning currently until you get the equipment. Some people are already jewelers and they have the equipment, so you're already set to go and you're able to start making the grills already. But we will give you all the resources where to get the equipment from and how to get them. You'll learn where to get your gold and how to get your gold. So we'll teach you all that and tell you everything inside the DVD course. Other than that, some people do want to know, what's it hard to be able to make grills? It is not hard to make grills. If you're good with your hands, then you'll be able to make grills. If you're good with creativity, you'll be able to make grills. But you'll see in the video that the video training will show you hands-on how to do it with our own hands, and you'll be able to learn step by step, and we'll tell you what you should do and why you should do it. So it's very simple to be able to make grills. If you're already making jewelry, then you understand that you'll be able to make it like overnight. So it's not a problem. And the big reason why you want to start making your own grills, like I said in multiple videos I've made, that it's very important. You'll be able to cut out the middleman, you'll be able to make all the money for yourself, and you'll control everything. You'll know how the grill is made, you'll know how to put love into it, and a lot of people care about that you're the jeweler behind it. As grills get more popular, more people are asking for them, you'll be able to make more money on top of that. So not only customer service making people happy, knowing that you offer jewelry and grills, that you'll be able to have more sources, avenues for income and making your pockets much bigger. So definitely look into it. If you're interested in getting a DVD course, just click the link below and you'll be able to read more about it and be able to purchase it. After the purchase, we'll send it to you by mail, now we're also working on downloadable training video. So we're now working with Teachable, and Teachable, what's going to be is that right now is the DVD is offered for a discount because we're going to be upgrading the learning courses. So you'll be able to learn the courses completely in a more special way, and this will be more tailored to people that really want to get in depth on everything. Some people want to know if it comes with designing. No, it does not come with designs on the DVD training. That's a separate purchase. So all you have to do in your cart, you just add on designs video and we'll give you that. This is only to teach you the basics, how to make a 6-piece grill and just how to clean it and everything like that and get it prepped. Not how to do open face, diamond cuts, or anything else like that. That's a separate purchase. Just purchase that to add on as a bonus. But like I said, if you order it now, you'll get it for a discount, because once we go to the Teachable and teaching you the e-course, it's going to be more expensive. And the people that already order now, they'll get that for free, and you get weekly updates on new things, new ways of doing certain things with grills and how to get your first customers. And it's basically blogs for the people that are in the community of making grills. So definitely look into ordering it now before we go in to doing an e-course with Teachable. But if you want more content, just like and subscribe this video, and also do not forget to hit the notification bell so you can get more videos and know whenever I post up a video, you'll be able to learn more about whatever I have to say.